Wrong way, queef nugget. I can't say queef nugget. Wrong way, you dumb shit.
You calling me a dumb shit on your GoPro?
Oh yeah.
Cool.
And you'll be on YouTube as well.
Yeah, and who the fuck you talking to? I'll knock your ass out, bitch.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You making threats on camera too?
I sure am, and I'll break your fucking camera, you piece of shit.
Yeah. I'm sure you will.
You are so tough when you're riding your bike. Yeah.
Keep talking, keep talking.
You realize that I was just turning around.
That doesn't matter.
It matters,
doesn't matter.
You fucking piece of shit.
You walk and then you cross to the correct side and then you go.
You're a fucking douchebag, and I bet you have hella friends with all those cameras.
Bye, shitface.
Say it again, motherfucker. I will fuck you up. Hey. Say it again.
Dude, you need a Tic Tac.
If you want to
say it again.
If you want to kiss, just say
Get
so.
the fuck out of my face.
Bye, cunt.